bring to you breaking news. That's again coming in from down south itself, wherein DMK Minister TRB Raja attacks Indigo over the chaotic delay of Chennai Flight 6E 7191. Now, the flight that was scheduled for 9:10 a.m. delayed to 11 a.m., wherein passengers were made to wait for hours at the airport. Now, Raja has come out to allege that Indigo started early boarding only to park the passengers in the bus for over 20 minutes. Now, passengers were also taken to Graveyard Bay, causing long bus ride and severe inconvenience. DMK Minister says low-cost airlines should not mean cheap treatment of passengers. This is Indigo Airlines coming under fire yet again, and this time from another minister. In fact, this is a minister from Tamil Nadu, TRB Raja, who's come out to make these complaints and share his account of the kind of experience he had with a delay of almost 2 hours in the very flight and how the passengers were treated during that very delay. Anagha Kesar joining me on the broadcast with more details on this. Anagha, very good afternoon to you. This is what we are learning. Do tell us what exactly went down with the plane. Why was there such a big delay and why was there no proper information relayed on to the passengers with convenient measures being taken so that they could wait properly instead of being stuck in the bus?
Well, in fact, the Minister TRB Raja, who was travelling today from Chennai, has taken to his X platform where he has put it out in detail as to what exactly went wrong with the Indigo plane. He says that the departure time was at around 9:10 a.m. That was when the flight was supposed to leave Chennai. But then what happened was that it was close to 12 o'clock and that's when the flight actually departed. And he also says that when he was inside the bus on the tarmac, the bus, he was seated inside the bus for about half an hour. The bus was making rounds inside the airport without proper communication as to what exactly was going to happen when the passengers would board the plane, number one. And number two, even after the passengers got inside the plane, the doors also shut very, very late. So there were many inordinate delays without proper communication being given to passengers, and making things even more worse, when the captain made that announcement, there was no acknowledgement or mention as to the flight delay. Even one word of apology was not being given, or some reason as to why there was so much of delay. Nothing was given, says Minister TRB Raja, seriously raising questions about the way in which passengers are being treated is what he says. In fact, there is one line which TRB Raja says. He says that a low-cost carrier does not mean that you treat passengers in a cheap way. That's the kind of strong statements that we're hearing from the minister who has departed from Chennai. He has seriously raised questions about the monopoly in the aviation sector. He says that all this is because of the fact that the passengers are being taken for granted, number one. Number two, the fact that there is monopoly in the aviation sector, and that's why the passengers are treated so badly. And he has also raised very serious questions to the union government and the aviation sector.
Right, Anagha, thank you for bringing us all those details with regards to what exactly went down and the entire account that's been shared by this Tamil Nadu minister on platform X itself as to the experience he had with Indigo recently.